Hey everybody, Gene Daughtry, the old buy here, pay here guy. And we're talking about when the technician comes in and says, gonna need an engine. You know, for many, many, many years, I've been in the business 28 years. I've had a lot of shops, sold literally thousands and thousands of vehicles. I've heard that so many times, you're gonna need an engine. And when you dive deeper into the conversation, the word sludge keeps coming up. Today I'm talking about a 4.7 Dodge, the Dodge Ram V8. There are just thousands of them in the market. It's an economically priced vehicle. It's always been good to us. We've sold thousands of them in buy here, pay here operations in 3 states. And lots of customers love the size of the truck and all that. And so they're a good seller. And it's just been part of, we've had to put engines in them over and over and over again. When I talk to the techs, it's about the sludge buildup. It creates either a low end knock or you get lots of misfire codes in the engine and you just really can't solve. You try to fix the problem and you just really can't solve it because you're not attacking the right problem. And then it gets to a point where it's too late. So on that 4.7, you get a low end knock on there. And so what we've done is we've discovered Jilcat Proline engine conditioner. And so we actually had one of those engines that had a low end knock, probably the back part of the crankshaft, not getting enough oil because of the sludge buildup. But we ran Jilcat Proline engine conditioner in the vehicle, 2 bottles in the engine while it was warm, poured them in there, took the vehicle out onto the freeway and drove it for about 50 miles, and you couldn't hear the knock any longer. What we also noticed is it lowers the operating temperature of the vehicle during that process, and then it stays operating lower temperature. And so from that and several other examples that there are videos out that you can listen to me talk about different engines, the difference in the temperature is a big part of the problem that you're having because a vehicle driven tens of thousands of miles, 50, 60 degrees hotter than usual, under some pretty rough conditions because our customers aren't taking care of them. And it's just really causing so many different electrical issues and issues that come up with those engines. And in the end, it's a simple old problem of sludge in the top end of the motor. It builds up there, it builds up in the oil pan all over the engine. Try Jilcat Proline engine conditioner in your 4.7 Dodge before it gets to 100,000 miles or starts to have a problem. And I think you'll find a lot more life in that engine going forward and a better gas mileage, better performance, better power. Give it a try. www.jilcatproline.com. Thank you.